Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here with Ryan. He's the man.
I don't know if you can see me, but
He drove.
I am here.
He drove me all the way down here to Rainier National Park where I slept like a baby. Couldn't find a better friend. He brought me to a place rumored to have some decent brook trout, and he's not a liar when it comes to the fish. That's the truth.
Yeah.
Let's check this place out that Ryan brought me to.
The view from the other side is splendid. You have to show them the other side's even more beautiful.
We're gonna get our line set up, and we're gonna get in the water and hopefully be able to do a catch and cook. I brought some really nice chili paste. I hope he likes it spicy.
I do. I love spicy.
It's always fun fishing with you. Oh, that's a fish.
Oh, really?
Oh, I just lost him. I just had a nice hit. Instantly had a hit. You see Ryan there, he's on his pack raft. Say hello. See if that man can't pull out a trout dinner. It seems that we have finally caught a fish. Fantastic. Yep. It's like 10 feet in front of me. It's sitting there. Oh, fish on, baby. Oh, fish off. That's a fish on, baby. We can land him in the net. Oh yeah. Got him. There we go. White rooster tail.
Wow, interesting.
Got him. And you already got one for eating?
Yep. So you can eat those?
It's gorgeous. Gorgeous brook. I mean, just everything about him is good looking. Look at the pink and red dots all over this brookie.
Beautiful. You want it filleted or are you going to keep them?
Oh, filleted.
Filet mignon.
Oh, yeah. We got a roller.
Kind of hard to do with that. But it's not straight. Oh boy, that's a terrible fillet job.
absolutely horrible. Look at that nice sandy fillet.
Gorgeous orange meat.
Mm-hmm. You know the salt we use, allegedly,
Oh, throw it all, yeah. Yeah.
Would you like some sandfish?
Oh, you can taste it. You need the sand.
No, this one here.
Pretty good flaky white meat. Thanks to Ryan here. Mm.
Yes, Brook trout's muddy.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Seasoning's incredible.
This is it. We're gonna eat this last fish. Ryan got the first one. Good thing I didn't make a bet with him today. We're gonna eat this last one, and we possibly might go to another lake. We're gonna see what happens on our excursion to go out. Yeah. This place is incredible. It's amazing. Got Rainier right behind us. I'm gonna stop some more salt on this fish. We'll see you at the next mountain lake.